a young girl living in the mountains of South Korea who is the caretaker and companion to a large creature known as a super pig. When a major corporation kidnaps and takes Okja to New York in the United States, the young girl sets out on a mission to rescue the oversized creature. If you can get past the over-the-top performances and overreaching ecology statements, you'll find it's an entertaining film with outstanding directing, set design, and cinematography. The Ballad of Buster Scruggs comes in at number 6. Released in 2018, this Western anthology series consists of 6 individual stories. All are written, directed, and produced by the Coen brothers. Some of their most acclaimed works include Fargo, The Big Lebowski, and Barton Fink. Just like those films, The Ballad of Buster Scruggs has plenty of dark humor. It features an impressive cast, which includes Tim Blake Nelson, James Franco, Brendan Gleeson, and Liam Neeson. The 6 tales consist of a singing gunslinger, a bank robber, an aging impresario and his artist, an elderly prospector, a group traveling in a wagon train, and a pair of bounty hunters. Coming in at number 5 is the comedy drama The Fundamentals of Caring. Released in 2016, it stars Paul Rudd and Craig Roberts. Rudd plays a retired writer who becomes a caregiver to a sharp-witted, disabled teenager played by Roberts. They both embark on a cross-country trip to meet the boy's father and visit famous roadside attractions. Honestly, this is the type of movie I usually cringe at, but the chemistry between the 2 leads, the actually funny dark humor, and convincing performances make this a heartwarming film worth watching. Bright, in the number 4 spot, to many people, will probably be the most surprising and controversial ranking in this video. More on that later. Released in 2017, this fantasy crime drama stars Will Smith and Joel Edgerton. The story takes place in an alternate world where humans, orcs, elves, fairies, and other mythical creatures all coexist. It follows 2 cops who must work together to protect a young female elf and the forgotten relic she possesses, which in the wrong hands could alter the future as they know it. While Bright was universally panned by movie critics, it has become a favorite of viewers on Netflix with a Rotten Tomatoes audience score of 84%. Without going into a rant like last year's video, Bright is worth watching, and a sequel is currently in development with Smith and Edgerton reprising their roles. Before we get, I don't feel at home in this world anymore. Dumplin' and Roma. Coming in at number 3 is Paddleton. Released in 2019, this comedy drama stars Ray Romano and Mark Duplass. The story follows the unlikely friendship of 2 misfit neighbors when the younger of the 2 becomes diagnosed with terminal cancer. While the acting is superb, some of you might find the first half of this film to be difficult to get through, but it's well worth sticking around for its stunning conclusion. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is Mudbound. Released in 2017, this historical drama takes place just after World War II in the racially divided state of Mississippi. It follows 2 veterans of different races struggling with life after the war. It's a well-acted, powerful film with an excellent screenplay and outstanding cinematography. In the top spot, coming in at number 1, Beasts of No Nation is the best original movie on Netflix. Unnamed country in West Africa. The story is about a young boy that is recruited as a child